see that? You see that? This is what I deal with. You see that? Right. You throwing stuff at her.
This what a nigga want to see.
Y'all see that, right? That ain't me.
I still got my video that I
Right. This is the disrespect. She allow her kids to be disrespectful to me, and she want me to take them places. I'm not putting up with it. Sorry. And this is what she does when she don't get her way. This is the way she does when she don't get her way. This what happens. Now she having her kids cry. See? There you go. You see that, y'all? This is what I put up with when she don't get her way. She making all her kids cry.
You got my baby ready?
No, she not going. No. Okay.
Come on, Trey. Come on,
Sorry, I tried to see it, but that's our mama.